How to add another account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. And this video I will show you how can you add another account on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook with your previous account. After you open Facebook with your account, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on menu. From menu, simply you'll have to scroll down and tap on logout. Now from here, you'll be able to add another account. Simply from here, tap on use another profile. Now from here, you'll have to enter the mobile number or email. After that, tap on continue. And from there, you'll have to also enter your password of the Facebook account. After you enter the password of your Facebook account from there, you'll be able to add another account on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.